What's up, YouTube? Monday, November 16th, 2020, about 7:30, a couple minutes later. Heading to work. Ooh, man. Keep slipping on those leaves. Need to sweep that again. I-oh, so off to work I go. Well, I don't have any of my winter gear on today because it's 46 degrees right now. It's 41 in Paso according to my phone. So I just got my jeans and my regular gloves on and my lighter jacket. Oh, I'm tired. I hate Mondays. I got a case of the Mondays every Monday. Let's see, next week's, I think, Thanksgiving. So next week I only work 3 days. And then I have Monday after Thanksgiving off. So I got a 5-day weekend coming up. So I finally got my garage door remote glued on there, or taped on there. So come on, third gear. This thing does not like going into third gear the first attempt when it's cold. So hopefully this holds. I had a C-clamp on it for about 24 hours. And now it's been on there probably about 36 hours. Hopefully it's cured enough. That'd suck if I lose my garage door remote. I've had one on my Sportster for, oh man, 7, 8, 9 years. I did take it off once. Forgot why. I think I just took it off because I didn't have a garage door anymore. Then I put it back on, and it still stays on there pretty good. And I just use the same 3M double-sided tape. I'm not sure if there's different degrees or levels of stickiness. But it's the same stuff I used on the other one. So now I can just reach forward and open my garage and don't have to walk out the door and then be like, damn it, I forgot my remote. Gotta get off, go back in, get it. No, I don't have one in the SUV anymore, but I don't really need one in there. I hardly ever take the SUV anywhere. Actually, I got the battery in the garage right now. I just took it off the battery charger. I let it charge over the weekend because the SUV sits so long, the battery usually dies. I hadn't moved the SUV in weeks, so I just pulled the battery out. So the last time I started it, it cranked over kind of slow. But I went out this morning after leaving it on the trickle charger for the weekend, and the light was green, so finally got fully charged. I'll put it back in the SUV probably tonight. There is a chance of rain, not tomorrow. I think Wednesday is supposed to rain. So I might take the SUV and be able to wuss out. Not to say, I used to ride in the rain because I didn't have a choice, but now that I have a vehicle, I kind of chicken out and decide to go for comfort. So I do have a video I'm going to post probably in a few days, my close call video. I'm going to label it Grumpy Moto Mike Has a Close Call. Woo, it's a wee chilly, not too bad though. Not cold enough to go through the hassle of putting all my winter gear on and having to take it all off when I get to work and pack it up. Got an issue with my mic popping, which I I think it's the connection. I think I have too much slack on the mic plug going into the GoPro adapter. So I think maybe tonight, or maybe just, I don't know, sometime I'm going to try to take some of the slack out of that, maybe secure it there with some tape a little better. See if that helps. I think flapping around in the wind, I've actually had the wind hit, pulls on that mic cord so much, I've had to come unplugged before on a long ride that blew out. So I think I'll try to secure that mic cord a little better. Hopefully that's all it is. Hopefully it's not something messed up with the mic adapter for the GoPro. Thinking about buying the GoPro 9. I have the GoPro 7 Hero Black, or whatever you call it. It's been real buggy. And I guess it's kind of common looking into forums that I think people said they released the 7 too early and it wasn't really ready. Seems like it's gotten a wee bit better with firmware updates, but I still have issues with it. Ooh, my hands are a wee cold. I don't have any freeze outs in here. I just wore my leather gloves. They're not like cold numb. They're just, I can feel the wind. Guess those hand guards aren't blocking the wind too well. Although I had read that on the reviews. One guy put, they don't do much to block the wind, but hey, they sure look cool. I was going more for functionality, less for style points. But when I get off work, it'll be like 60 degrees, so. Oh wow, green light. Woohoo! Hands are a wee cold. Not too bad. Alright, YouTube. Ride safe.